What's going on, guys? Mo here with Auto Addict USA, and I am happy to show and display our new side skirts that we've had for about 4 weeks for the Gen 5 community, but we have been slammed with work and fulfilling orders and just working with a lot of new companies. As you see, our product line has been growing for the Gen 5, Gen 6, Mustang, and the list goes on. Without further ado, let's show you this amazing new side rocker that comes in a gloss black finish, no need to paint, ready to install on your 10 to 15 Chevy Camaro. All right, guys, I have the one and only Evo side rocker for the Gen 5. As you can see, it will fit from 2010 to 2015. If you have a ZL1, I do not think it will fit just because we do have a ZL1 back there. If you're not a ZL1 owner, you should be good to go, no problem at all. Now, the product is equipped with a full gloss black entire ZL style side rocker with our signature touch of an Evo shark fin style inspired to match the rear diffuser that we recently just installed on Andrea's Chevy Camaro. With that being said, you can get a full aero kit from Auto Addict with the Evo product line of the side skirts, the diffuser, going to match without any issues whatsoever. Let's just go ahead and mock this up real quick, guys, just to show you what it will look like on your Gen 5. It's a nice aggressive ZL style side rocker, and it gives a nice shark fin Evo aggressive inspired style to allow your quarter panel body lines to blend in extremely sharp. Super excited for this product. It's been selling really good for you guys, and if you guys are interested, make sure you grab yourself a set on Auto Addict USA or with an authorized Auto Addict dealer ready to go, not a problem. Without further ado, let's finish the final install and show you guys a final look and go over the product detail. One thing I wanted to mention to you guys, and to show how detailed we are when it comes to our side rocker, we do manufacture this entire rocker to fit over your existing OEM side rocker, but we also make it a manufactured diffuser to allow the fitment of the side rocker to be flush, so that way there's no gaps or air gaps that's going to allow the side rocker to fly off. So with that being said, there's a screw that lines up with our side rocker that's going to allow this rear diffuser to sit nice and flush to allow a nice flush fitment. This right here will give you stability without having any movement with the air to allow your side skirt to be attached on your car without flying off. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, we have the Auto Addict USA 10 to 15 Camaro Evo side rocker in gloss black finish equipped on this beautiful Chevy Camaro 2010. Now, as you can see, it's a full-on gloss finish, and like I said earlier, one of my favorite part is the Evo shark fin inspired to match with the rear diffuser that we installed earlier on today on Andrea's Camaro. Without further ado, this is the final finish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm super excited to be part of you guys' build by adding the Evo lineup, which is the diffuser and the side skirts. We will be announcing a front lip very soon, but this is what we got right now, and I'm super thankful for you guys' support. Stay tuned for the next video. We do have a lot more products and cars that we're working on. You gotta wait and stay tuned for the next drop. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.